Hello and welcome to Model Rail video number 11, your regular video companion to Model Rail magazine, where we can show you the actions and the techniques that's simply impossible on the printed page. Use them together and I guarantee more enjoyment and success from your railway modelling. Now, for anyone with even a passing interest in trains, a day out here at the National Railway Museum at York is a superb experience. It tells the whole history of the railway, from Rocket to Eurostar and the Channel Tunnel. And for the serious railway historian, it's a marvellous opportunity to get up close and personal with these exhibits, to photograph or take measurements or simply to enjoy the past. In the course of this programme, we'll take a look around this magnificent museum, which until the 1960s was part of York North Locomotive Depot. It looks very different of course today, but the pedigree of the site means that this museum is very directly connected into our steam past. We'll also be visiting Pollardy Haunts. It's a superb model which depicts part of the famous sea wall section at Dawlish. Dave Lowry's getting to grips with an open frame baseboard, which makes it much easier to make embankments and cuttings, and they look much more effective too. Meanwhile, Darren is transferring his very best efforts into achieving the perfect finish when you renumber locomotives. Later on, he'll be looking at how to make them run really well too. In our review section, we'll be taking an envious look at some new locomotives, including Bachmann's BR Riddle Standard Class 5 and Hornby's latest Stanier Black 5, it's the weathered version. There's also a chance to soak up some southern steam action on Tony Bates' Midhurst layout. The golden age of railway travel is so often associated with holidays, especially in those far-off days before car ownership was widespread. What better than to spend a long, lazy, hot day on a West Country beach with a background of plenty of passing trains at Dawlish. The Great Western marketed the West Country as the English Riviera. It even played around with maps to compare it with Italy and urged British holidaymakers to see your own country first. All this inspired the builders of holiday haunts,